guys, welcome to another video. So today I've had a little surprise turn up from Madam Glam. Did not have a clue they were sending these, so I'm a little bit excited. Thank you so much, Madam Glam. So they've gone and sent me 4 of the new pudding gels. Look at them. So they brought out 2 new collections. Each collection's got 4 pudding gels. There's a green collection and a blue collection. They've sent me 2 out of each collection. So the blue collection is the Ocean Blue Cloud Grey. The green collection is Army Green and Taupe Beige. I shall put a picture on the screen for you guys so you can check out the other colours, what they've got in the collections. I just want to tell you a little bit about these pudding gels. So these pudding gels, let me move that out of the way. So these pudding gels are the stiff gels that don't move. They are so much less messy than gel paint. They come with a little protective lid as well, which I like. And like all Madam Glam gels, these are also vegan, cruelty free, palm oil free, 21 free formula and Hema free. So they're available to buy on the Madam Glam website as from today, which is the 13th of October 2022. I've got a discount code as well, guys, if anyone does want to place an order. GG30, it's always in my description box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by swatching them first. Then I'm going to do a little quick easy design because I want to show you what they're like for using for nail art. So let's get them swatched very quickly and then we can get on with doing a design with them. So the first one is Taupe Beige. You do only need a teeny tiny bit of these as well. A little bit goes a long way with these pudding gels. Oh, look at that, guys. One coat. So opaque. That's a really, really nice nude as well. I like it. Next one is Cloud Grey. Look at that one. That's a really, really nice light grey, isn't it? Like that. Next one is Army Green. That is a proper army green. Look at that. That will need 2 coats, but I know greens do have to be a little bit sheerer so they don't wrinkle in the lamp. So I'm going to give that a second coat and we'll take another look at it, shall we? Yeah, look at that. Perfect coverage. 2 very, very thin coats. I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Then the last one is Ocean Blue. Oh, that's a nice blue. I like that. Again, really, really opaque. And a beautiful coloured blue that is, isn't it? I like that. So that's them all swatched. I just love how opaque they are, how creamy they are. They apply really, really nice. They apply like butter. So I've given them a coat of the Madam Glam's shiny top coat on the top half and the Madam Glam's matte top coat on the bottom half. As most of you guys already know, I am definitely a matte girl, but they're still pretty shiny. I do like some designs shiny. It all depends on the design, to be honest, but as a rule, I am a matte girl. Right, so now they've all been swatched, I'm going to do a little design using some of the colours. See, when I was looking at these colours, the first thing I thought of, apart from the blue, let's get rid of that a minute, I was getting army vibes. So that's the road I'm going to go down today. I'm going to do some army nails. So I've pulled out 4 stiletto tips. Going to be working on tips today. Gucci was too busy to come in today. She's a very busy woman, don't you know? So I'm going to start off by giving all of the tips a coat of the Taupe Beige to start with.
I can't be nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She's luminous so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go.
So now I'm going to give them all a coat of the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat because I want to do some artwork on these. And I just find doing any artwork is much nicer doing it on a matte surface. Now I'm going to be using Cloud Grey. I'm going to paint a smile line.
Would it make you feel better if I say the songs for you when you feel down and better? Shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl.
There's one.
London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, got nah, 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 nah. Just be in your songs, alright, girl. I want nobody.
Don't worry about these being too neat yet, guys, because I am going to neaten the smile line up before I cure them. I just want to get the grey applied first, and then I shall neaten them up. So I've got some isopropyl alcohol on my cleanup brush. I'm just going to clean the smile line up. Make it nice and neat, just like that. I'm going to clean my brush off. Then I'm going to do that on all the other nails. So that's all the grey tips applied. Now I'm going to use the Madam Glam dotting tool. And we're going to do the army print now. Using army green and the Madam Glam's black gel paint. So to do the camo print, all you want is different shaped and size splodges. That is literally it. So I'm going to do all the green splodges first on all 4 nails. Then I shall cure them and then I'll go in with the black. I'm just going to show you me doing this one nail, guys, because I'm going to be doing the exact same on all 4 nails. So that's all the green splodges cured. Now I'm going to do the black splodges. Same again, all different shapes and sizes, and you want them to overlap some of the green patches. So once I'm happy with that, I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. The Madam Glam gel paint cures in an LED lamp for 60 seconds. Right, so I've pulled these stickers out and I'm going to use a couple of these little flowers. Like that. So I'm just going to go around these smile lines with some of the Madam Glam's white gel paint. Now it would have been easier if I'd have done this white line before I'd stuck the stickers down, but I totally forgot all about doing it. So I'm just going to pop them in the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Right, we're going to get these finished off now, guys. So I'm going to give these all a coat of the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. And then before I cure those, we're going to add some crystals. So I'm just going to do a cuticle cuff on this one. And then on this one, I'm going to do a little crystal line up there, like that. Just like that. It's pretty, I like that. And then on this one, I'm going to do the same, but coming from the top. Just like that. Pretty, I like it. Cure that. So there we are, guys. That is them all finished. I actually really like them. I wasn't sure what I was going to think to them, but I actually really like them. They're really different and unique. They're so cool. And then crystals, I think, just finish them off nicely as well. I might go in with some caviar beads just for my Instagram pictures, but I was kind of running out of time today. So yeah, I might go in with some caviar beads just to finish them crystals off. Let's have a look at the swatches again very quickly. So we've got Taupe Beige, Cloud Grey, Army Green and Ocean Blue. They're really, really nice colours, aren't they? Beautiful colours. Colours that I've not actually got. I've definitely not got a green like that. I've definitely not got a light grey like that. I'd say I've probably got a nude similar. And I don't think I've got a blue like that either. Yeah, I like them. I really, really like them. So that's everything for today's video, guys. Everything that I've used today, I shall leave listed in my description box below, along with my discount code, which you'll see in the top right corner of the screen, is GG30. Anyone's interested in finding out about Madam Glam's VIP membership, click my Madam Glam website link and you'll find all the information that you need to on there. I want to say a massive thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these surprise pudding gels. They really were a lovely surprise. I really like these pots as well. These pots are so smart. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing if you're not already. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.